10:53, Monday 26th of September. As you can hear, it's bloody windy out today, so I'm not sure how long I'm going to be staying up here for. It's going to get too bloody cold. I'm not going to stand around in the freezing cold now. So might get some wind noise in the microphone. I did notice on my last video, and I apologise about that, but my audio cut out. Why, I don't know. I've actually done a factory reset on this, and hopefully it'll be okay today. If not, then you'll probably end up with another video that sound audio, and then I'll have to again purchase another fucking camera. But hopefully it'll be okay today. I've got my simplex up here again today. New spade belt thing, because the other one was just completely useless, falling apart, unstitching. So I've got this new little one from AliExpress. Only cost about 13 quid, I think it was, on eBay, and Amazon about 50 quid. So it's always a good idea to look on AliExpress or Alibaba, because you can get them cheaper. Quality wise, I don't know how good the quality is, but it's holding up all right at the moment. It took about 2.5-3 weeks to get here, when it said 6 weeks, so it got here half the time. But yeah, so today I'm back at my new commission. I was thinking about going up to Ron's, but I think he's in hospital this week, so got a shoulder problem which he's having an operation on. So I'll probably pop up there beginning next month, October time. I do still want to do some more of this new field, see what I find. I found a couple of old pennies last time I was up here, last week. So yeah, we'll just have to see how it goes, see what kind of finds we find today, if anything. Hopefully we might get skunked out and find a few more old coins. That'd be cool. So yeah, for now I'll close this off. I don't know if I've gone and dropped my gloves already. It might be in my bag, I don't know. I know I brought gloves with me. They might be in my bag, I don't know. If not, I'll have to walk all the way back up to the pathway. So I had to go for a penny again today. But yeah, it was bloody windy out today. Supposed to brighten up a bit later. We had rain early on. The reason I come out today, two reasons. One, I had a hell of a lot of noise from upstairs last night, all day yesterday. I banged on the wall a few times. They come down to complain, but I didn't answer the door. So if I had opened the door, there would have been a fucking racket. There would have been one of the biggest rows ever, and the police would have probably had to been called. But, yeah, I thought I'd come out for a couple of hours today at least, do a video, try and make up for the one which got screwed up last week, and so it goes. Right, well I'm practically there. All I've got to do is get my milk detector out of my bag, my spade and my gloves, and I'll catch you in a short while. Right, first hit, 48, 50s, 60s, kind of like up and down. I tell you man, it's bloody cold out today. Freaking cold. Sorry about the wind. Hopefully you can hear me. I'll have to check the audio later as well. pull tab, I think. Yeah, fucking pull tab. Beaver tail. Check there ain't nothing else down there. Yeah, just a beaver tail. Yeah, worms are coming out. Alright, let's see if we can find anything else. Trying to get onto the more flatter area. I think the grass has grown a bit more since last time I come up. It wasn't this high. Check the pathway again. And this is where it disappears. So we're just going to wander around today for an hour, maybe two. Depends on how the weather goes. $16, $18, $21. Could be iron. Yeah, we had rain last night, so the ground's going to be a bit more softer, hopefully. So I can't dig it in the ground. Jumping everywhere now. Jumping everywhere. I reckon it might be iron. I think it's deep as well. I missed it. Right, it's deep. think it's tin can. Yeah. No, it's something wide. I'm not going to dig that up. Could be the electrical cable or something. I'll be digging that up. Alright, catch on the next one. Alright, got 89.90 here. Quite deep again as well, I think. Oh, it's cold, man. Fucking cold. With that black soil there. Oh, it is. Small buckle on my horse harness. That's all it is. Something else in there. Could be another bit of the buckle. Yeah, more buckle. Still got some leather on. Could be more buckle. Bit more buckle down, I think. I'm seeing more leather. Yeah, another little bit of buckle. I think that should be it now. Alright, catch on the next one. Right, another live dig, getting 63, 64, 65. It's deep again. They all seem to be bloody deep today. I don't really want to be doing too many deep ones. My back's already beginning to ache. Right, it's on this side. Just dug another thing. Well, I didn't dig it up. I had a 16 to 26 just now, but it's deep iron. Like to find another coin today. Oh, what's that? Coin. I just scraped it. Oh, shit. Yeah, another king or queen, can't tell. And there's me saying about I want to find another coin today. I'm going to find one, but I'll scratch it. Should have put that in the coin box, but just the one. I'd like to get a spill actually. That'd be cool. Get a spill. Right, catch on the next one. Right, on the path, 16 to 19. Then jumps up to 30s. Whole shoot. Another whole shoot. That's before I found on here now, I think. Just check there ain't anything else in there. No. Right, catch on next. Alright, no dig. I don't know how good you can see my camera. Jumping around, 17, 18, 20. Another deep one. Going to turn the notch down a little bit. I dig this one, but I'm turning the sensitivity down. So I seem to be getting a lot of deep ones. Well, I don't really want to be digging too many deep ones today. I think I'm away from the marker itself. Bit of a crunch there. Could be iron again. I think it's iron. Yeah, you can see a bit of iron there. It's like one of those ring nuts. So all it was a ring nut. Just quickly scan it again. Oh no, there's something else still there. Bit of, well, it's bone, it's just wood, I think. Not getting on the pinpoint though. What's this? Oh, shotgun shell. First shotgun shell I found on here. Yeah, shotgun shell. So it was a nut and a shotgun shell. Well, I've got plenty of shotgun shells at home, so that can go in the bush. Right, I'll catch you on the next one. Right, got hit here. I had to move down underneath the trees. It started pissing down the rain just then. Jumping between 30, low 30s, high 30s. Right guys, I'm going to do one more live dig for you and then I'm going to call it quits because it is freaking freezing cold. Although I'm sweating, I'm freezing as well. And it keeps raining. So we'll do one more dig. I did get hit here, but it's iron, deep iron. so I'm not digging that anymore. Yeah, it's starting to rain again now, so we just start walking up to the corner and start heading home, I think, because I ain't going to do it in the rain. I know the metal detector's waterproof, but I'm not really waterproof. I'm freaking freezing cold. I've got a t-shirt, fleece and this short jacket on, and if I've got a soaking wet t-shirt on, which I have got, that's not going to help me. That's going to make me probably get even more cold and pneumonia. Yeah, it's starting to rain again. I can feel it on my face. It said it's going to rain, but only a scattered shower for like half an hour. It's gone half an hour. Not getting nothing down here anyway. Deep. I'm not going to dig it, it's too deep. It's all the way down on the bars. Turn the metal detector off now anyway. Yeah, I'm really cold. Oh, sniffling. I don't want to end up with pneumonia or in a cold. So I'm going to walk up to that bunch of trees up there and get me a dry t-shirt out, quickly change it over that, and then pack up my gear and then start making tracks. I wished it wasn't as cold and wet and rainy today, because now I've got to go home and listen to all that goddamn bullshit noise from upstairs again. I mean, I don't like the noise from upstairs, but what can I do about it? I think I've been out a couple of hours now anyway. So yeah, I packed this up and start heading home. So it's not a longer video, but hopefully the audio's caught. And I'll come up here again next week. Right, cheers for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.